Hey everyone, Captain Jason here with Florida Living, and this is a quick little tutorial on how to fix a tree that had fallen over or is leaning over during a windstorm or during a hurricane. Now this was from Hurricane Ian in Orlando, Florida, and as you can see, this is a good size oak tree. What I used was a towing strap. Now this strap has two loops on each end. I put a loop around the tree and I hooked the other loop into my hitch. I slowly put some tension on that, and I had my wife helping, and as you can see, she was a great help to me. It does help to have someone. As you can see, she's giving me the hand signal, stop, stop, stop. It took 2 or 3 times to really get it where I wanted it straight. As you can see, I finally got it straight right there. And after that, what I did is I cut 4 6 to 8 inch 2x4s. Now these 2x4s are not getting screwed into the tree or anything like that, but they will lay up against the tree. And you can see me cutting those right there. And I cut 4 of those and I put them around the tree. And I took a ratcheting strap. Now, the reason why I took a ratcheting strap is because Home Depot and Lowe's were not open. So I just took the ratcheting strap and I tightened those 4 pieces of 2x4 around the tree. That will not damage the tree, obviously, in any way. And then what I did is on the angled 2x4s, as you can see, I put them up against the 2x4s that I had ratcheted in to the tree. The base of the tree there, and I took 2 screws each. They were 3 1/4 inch screws, and I just screwed from the angled into the 2x4s that were laying up against the tree, and that straightened it up. Now, one of the big takeaways is I made sure that strap that was connected to my truck had tension at all times. That's a really important key element because you don't want to lose that angle of your tree. You want to keep it straight like you like it. So for me, I kept that strap on there for 24 hours because the winds were still strong. If you wait a couple days after and there's no wind, no big deal. You can take that strap off right away. So one of the big key takeaways is make sure you do this ASAP. When the water table's high, you don't want to wait a week or 2 weeks because that will possibly give you more damage to your root ball and you won't be able to get the tree up, and then you could have possible damage or it could kill the tree. And the other thing is it really is nice to have someone helping you. They do kind of can tell you, hey, look, you stop, this is straight, so you're not having to go in and out of the truck many times. So that's the way I did it. If you have any better ways, feel free to comment below or any suggestions. If you have any questions on how I did it, it's literally took 25 minutes to do, maybe 30. So it's not a hard project to fix your own tree. And like I said, the big key takeaway is to do it as soon as possible. So thanks for watching my video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.